All right, the last slide of today. Boys and girls, we're going to do some writing. We're going to write a list of the important text that we underlined on the previous page. Remember those baby animal names you were underlining? Now we're going to make a list of them. A baby blank is a blank. Do you remember reading about the baby cow? The baby cow is a calf. So we could add that into this sentence frame. A baby cow is a calf. You can write that right here on this page, or you can write it in your book on page 16, in your reading book that you brought home from school. Either way is fine, but if you write it on this page, don't forget, you need to click on the cloud. I didn't write anything on the page, so it has nothing for me to say, but as you are putting your work on the page, be sure to click on the cloud to save your work. All right, my friends. Awesome! Nice work today. See you tomorrow.